Today, we're talking testosterone, a vital hormone that plays a key role in everything from muscle growth to mood regulation. If you've been feeling sluggish, experiencing low energy, or just not quite yourself, boosting your testosterone naturally might be the solution. Tip number 1, get moving with strength training. Yes, exercise, especially strength training, is one of the most effective ways of boosting testosterone. Lifting weights and engaging in high-intensity interval training have been shown to significantly increase testosterone levels. The Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research reports that men who engage in regular resistance training experience higher levels of testosterone compared to those who don't. So, hit the gym, pick up those weights, and start building muscle if you want to see a potential boost in your testosterone. Tip number 2, vitamin D is your friend. Vitamin D is not just essential for bone health, but it's also a key player in testosterone production. In fact, low levels of vitamin D have been linked to low testosterone. Spending time in the sun is one of the best ways to increase your vitamin D levels naturally. If you live in a place with limited sunlight, consider taking a vitamin D supplement. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that men with adequate levels of vitamin D had significantly higher levels of testosterone compared to those who were deficient. So, soak up the sun or talk to your doctor about supplementation. But please remember, it's important to balance sun exposure with skin protection to reduce the risk of skin damage. Tip number 3, prioritizing quality sleep. Next on the list is sleep, something that's often overlooked but so incredibly important. Your body produces the majority of its testosterone during deep sleep. But if you're not getting enough quality sleep, your testosterone levels can take a hit. A study in the Journal of American Medical Association found that restricting sleep to just 5 hours per night reduced testosterone levels by up to 15%. So make sure you're catching Z's. If you're looking to improve your sleep, consider trying Do Not Disturb, the sleep supplement from Life Happens that I helped formulate. It's specifically crafted with magnesium, passion flower, and L-theanine, and avodia, all to help you get that deep, restful sleep your body deserves. Check it out, lifehappens.com or on Amazon. I'll link to it below. Tip number 4, eat a balanced diet. What you eat can have a big impact on testosterone levels. Diets that are low in healthy fats or high in processed foods can negatively affect your hormone balance. Foods rich in healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil are great for supporting testosterone production. Also, make sure you're getting enough protein and complex carbs, as they provide the energy needed for intense workouts and muscle recovery. A study in the Journal of Steroid Biochemistry found that low-fat diets can decrease testosterone levels, so keep your diet balanced and nutrient-dense. Tip number 5, manage your stress levels. I hate to say it, but stress is a testosterone killer. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that actually blocks testosterone's effects. And chronic stress can lead to consistently elevated cortisol levels, which can negatively impact testosterone as well. According to research published in Hormones and Behavior, reducing stress can help improve testosterone levels. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing, working out, or simply taking time to relax can go a long way to keep your hormones in balance. And if you're looking for a little support in the occasional stress department, you can always check out and reach for Chillax. It's got saffron, niacin, L-theanine, and other calm vibe promoting ingredients. So definitely check it out if you need a little extra help in that department. Lifehappens.com. Tip number 6, maintain a healthy weight. I'm sorry to report, but carrying excess weight, especially around the midsection, can lead to lower levels of testosterone. Fat cells convert testosterone into estrogen, leading to lower levels of the hormone. Maintaining a healthy weight through diet and exercise can help keep your testosterone levels in a healthy range. A study in Diabetes Care found that men who lost weight experienced a significant increase in testosterone levels. So focus on staying active and eating right to maintain a healthy weight. Tip number 7, consider natural supplements. Did you know that certain supplements can also boost testosterone naturally? Ingredients like ashwagandha, fenugreek, and zinc have been shown to support healthy levels of testosterone. Ashwagandha, for instance, is an adaptogen that helps reduce stress, which can in turn increase testosterone. Fenugreek, on the other hand, has been found to increase testosterone and improve strength, while zinc is crucial for testosterone production and maintaining natural levels. In fact, a study in the Journal of International Society of Sports Nutrition found that men taking a fenugreek supplement experienced significant increases in testosterone. However, that being said, please always consult your healthcare provider before starting a new supplement regimen. You want to make sure that there are no interactions with possible medications you are already taking or other health concerns. Last tip, number 8, limit alcohol intake. While an occasional drink shouldn't have an effect, excessive alcohol consumption, on the other hand, can lead to lower testosterone levels. Alcohol interferes with enzymes in the liver that are responsible for hormone production, leading to reduced testosterone. Additionally, alcohol can increase cortisol levels, which, as mentioned earlier, can block testosterone production. Research published in the journal Alcoholism, Clinical and Experimental Research shows that heavy drinking can significantly reduce testosterone levels. So if you're looking to boost your testosterone, it's wise to limit alcohol intake. And remember to always drink responsibly. There you have it, 8 natural ways to potentially boost your testosterone levels and improve your overall well-being. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments.